Citroën, André Citroën, 1878-1935, built armaments for France during World War I. After the war, however, he realized that unless he planned ahead, he would have a modern factory without a product. Citroën was already experienced in the automotive business, thanks to a successful 6-year stint working with Moors between 1908 and the outbreak of war. The decision to switch to automobile manufacturing was taken as early as 1916, which is the year when Citroën asked the engineer Louis Dufresne, previously with Panhard, to design a technically sophisticated 18 HP automobile he could produce in his factory once peace returned. Long before that happened, however, he had modified his vision and decided, like Henry Ford, that the best post-war opportunities in automaking would involve a lighter car of good quality, but made in sufficient quantities to be priced enticingly. In February 1917, Citroën contacted another engineer, Jules Salomon, who already had a considerable reputation within the French automotive sector as the creator, in 1909, of a little car called Le Zèbre. André Citroën's mandate was characteristically demanding and characteristically simple to produce an all-new design for a 10 HP car that would be better equipped, more robust, and less costly to produce than any rival product at the time. several prototypes before teaming up with his brothers, who had honed their business skills working for their father's textile firm. While Louis handled design and production, Marcel and Fernand managed the business. The first Renault car, the Renault Voiturette 1CV, was sold to a friend of Louis's father after giving him a test ride on 24 December 1898. 1901, Voiturette Renault Type D, Série B, 1911, Renault CC. In 1903, Renault began to manufacture its own engines. Until then, it had purchased them from de Dion-Bouton. The first major volume sale came in 1905 when Société des Automobiles de Place bought Renault AG1 cars to establish a fleet of taxis. These vehicles were later used by the French military to transport troops during World War I, which earned
you.